Hi folks, LAR here again. We're going to work on how to plug your headset into the transmitter the easiest possible way today. And it's quick and easy, believe me. So we'll start by reviewing the connector. There's basically two parts, the black rubber boot and the silver shining collar. And the way these work is the silver connector part is on a little spring. So when you move it around, you feel it spring back into place. When you're ready to connect and get your class going, take the two pieces. And these two parts are key to lock into place in just the right spot. So when you have it by the rubber boot, applying very slight inward pressure while you turn the connector, and it will snap right into place. Once you've got it snapped in, you're ready to go. Once your microphone is locked into place, remember, do not rotate any part of the connector. If you try to rotate the connector, you can cause damage right in the delicate wiring inside. When you're done with class, it's even easier. Just grab the silver collar and pull straight away, and it pops right off. If you use gentle pressure connecting and disconnecting your microphone, you should get years of reliable service. I hope this has been helpful, and I also hope that you're enjoying your LAR audio system.